Hey, welcome back to Strand Farm, where we grow independent together. Today is preparation for tomorrow, moving day. Ashley had the great idea of thinking if we got the fence moved the night before we moved the chickens, then in the morning when they're still sleeping, we can just roll them right down here without having to get up earlier to move the other fence. So we have two electric fences, the ones up there holding them in right now, and then the one that we weren't using, but where the chickens are going next on the lower island, where they're gonna be down here chilling for a while. We're gonna let spring happen. Stuff's gonna grow here. We wanna get a compost layer and leaf mulch on top of everything. So let's see how it goes tomorrow morning.
Any mushrooms yet?
No. You want help?
Yeah, that's fine. I would go back to this fence and then like the other fence is longer, but I like it more.
Which one do you like more?
Up there. It's too long for what we want. We don't have enough chickens, so.
No, it's not. It does great as a double wrap.
That's true.
It makes up for its predator size.
Sweet. Looks good.
And now we can just move the chicken coop.
I'm not moving them during the day. Unless you want to put them in one by one, you go right ahead. I ain't doing it.
No, thank you. Good morning. Let's move the chicken coop. It's so nice that most of the work is done. The chicken fence was set up yesterday afternoon down at the lower island. So all we gotta do today is turn off the electric fence, stretch a little, move the chicken coop that way.
Thank God for coffee.
This fence has to go all the way around
Isn't
that
this the end?
direction.
We just want to do it right here.
And this fence also goes that way.
Yeah.
Hi, Moose. Yay! So tired. Now I get it.
These long fences, grab the middle. Otherwise you'll be dragging. Get caught on everything. So frustrating. But if you grab the middle, then you can just hold the whole thing up in the air. You turn the camera.
Huh?
You turn the camera up here.
Let's check in on this compost heap. Hey. What's that?
Hey, is it doing anything?
Yeah, it's like 100 and some.
I'll lay this here. Look at you guys out. Don't worry.
Forgot to fold the pile in last night.
Oh, bad. I'm glad we waited till the sun came out enough to see. Like 15 minutes ago, it was still so dark you couldn't even see.
Oh boy. I think I'm gonna need your help.
Okay. Just to get it.
Energy.
Oh, it sounds like it's breaking.
That one is. You gotta be very careful.
Can you let go so I can have something to hold on to? Oh God, I don't want to.
We never did finish putting the rickshaw together. Ew, my feet.
Help me. Are we turning?
Easy moves. Get out of there, girl.
Okay, don't turn it all the way downhill yet because. Is it better if we both hold a rickshaw handle or
No, someone needs to stand downhill.
this part's downhill?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
One at a time, one at a time.
Okay, easy, easy. Oh God.
Man. Warm up.
What happened? You warm?
Yeah.
Moose,
Let's see how good you look when it comes to chickens. We
Come.
know you're good at trees, but are you good at chickens?
sit. Sit. Stay.
Which way are we going in?
I think we need to go across here. Moose, good stay.
Ashley moved the chicken coop probably about a month ago, and she did it during the day while the chickens were outside of the coop. And we learned the hard lesson that if you move the chicken coop during the day, the chickens will have no idea where to go when it comes to bedtime. So what you do is you close your chickens up the night before you're going to move them, and then you get up when your roosters get up, and believe you me, they'll let you know it's time to get up. And you move the chicken coop first thing in the morning.
I had to get my coffee. Okay.
The one thing that we didn't do with our chicken tractor build was we did not use the staking method that Permapastures Farm uses on their chicken tractor on steroids. They live in a hilly climate too, and what they did was they put these super awesome stakes that are attached to these front legs, and they dig in, they bite into the ground on the hill, and that keeps the chicken tractor in place so it doesn't roll down the side of their mountain. We should probably do that, but we didn't because there's a million things to do. I know that Billy has a build video because I used that build video along with Justin Rhodes' chicken tractor plans to build our chicken tractor, and he puts those stakes on in that video. We'll put a link in the description. Ready, Moose?
I feel like it'd be easier if it had that front bar.
It would be easier with the front bar.
You really have to use your arm muscles.
Yeah. We didn't have a bar to put in here. You could use a piece of wood, but we didn't have any extra wood at the time that we built this. We just built it with materials we had laying around our homestead, aside from the wheels. When you're going down steep terrain or up steep terrain, you want to use switchbacks. That's something we've learned from all of our time hiking and backpacking in the mountains. This is pretty flat.
Lucy, come on. Let's come. Here. This way.
This is a cool setup.
You like it?
Yeah. This is a run chicken solar powered door. We've had great success with it. You can change its settings so it opens at the time that you want it to. It's all light based. We love it. Is this Juan? Is Juan gonna be the first one?
Bamboo. She's always the last one in too. Last one in, first one out.
Good morning.
Hi everybody. No train.
Now the chickens know where to go at nighttime. Oh yeah, they're hungry. This is a good spot for them. They're clearing our lower island, getting it ready for planting.
How's that wheelbarrow?
I love this wheelbarrow. Womp, 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 womp.
I like having their water here too, because then I can just see it easy. It's really slanty, hon.
I know, it's gotta be.
We have tippied over.
Yeah.
If this thing had spikes though, that'd be pretty cool too.
That's a good idea.
Because when we're up on the side, like getting wood and stuff, it wants to roll.
Ground control to Major Tom. 5, 4, 3, 2, Do 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 do.
We should probably adjust the fence before you get too woo-woo.
Yeah. Let's have coffee.
Okay. I am.
I don't need coffee.
Didn't you go a week without coffee?
Yeah.
How
I
was
just
it?
love coffee.
Okay.
It was fine. Let's drink coffee. You gotta have it kind of at an angle so that when they drink, it kind of tilts one way. And it keeps the water flowing out, because otherwise it gets airlocked.
Airlocked. Like a Foley catheter.
Yeah. That's exactly what it's like. That's nursing translating into homesteading.
You like your new spot? Do you like fermented feed?